Google Analytics setup is a crucial step for any website owner or digital marketer looking to track and analyze their online presence. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up Google Analytics. First, you need to create a Google Analytics account. To do this, go to the Google Analytics website and sign in with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, you will need to create one. Once you are logged in, click on the Sign Up button to start the process. Next, you will need to provide some basic information about your website, including the website name, URL, and industry category. You will also need to select the reporting time zone and currency. This information will help Google Analytics provide more accurate and relevant data. After providing the basic information, you will need to get the tracking code. The tracking code is a small piece of JavaScript code that you need to install on your website. This code will track user interactions and send the data to your Google Analytics account. You can install the tracking code yourself or have your web developer do it for you. Once the tracking code is installed, you need to set up the data retention settings. This setting determines how long Google Analytics will keep your data. You can choose to keep your data for a minimum of 14 months or a maximum of 50 months. Now, let's talk about the key concepts in Google Analytics. The most important concept is the metric, which is a quantitative measurement of your website's performance. Examples of metrics include page views, bounce rate, and conversion rate. Another key concept is the dimension, which is a characteristic of your website's data. Examples of dimensions include country, language, and browser type. To get the most out of Google Analytics, you need to set up goals and events. Goals are specific actions that you want users to take on your website, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. Events are user interactions that you want to track, such as button clicks or video plays. Finally, let's talk about best practices. One of the most important best practices is to regularly check your data for accuracy and completeness. You should also use the data to make informed decisions about your website and marketing campaigns. Additionally, you should keep your tracking code up to date and ensure that it is installed correctly on your website. In conclusion, setting up Google Analytics is a straightforward process that requires some basic information and technical setup. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can start tracking and analyzing your website's performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your online presence.